join us on RPTV and all our other platforms. Here comes Newsom. Cliff Hodge driving hard against Brundial. 3 seconds on the shot. Now somebody has to put up something. No.
Not a good shot there by Meralco. They couldn't put the ball close to the basket. They had to settle for an outside shot.
And it's under pressure. Yung shot clock was clamping down on them.
That ball has to keep on moving for them to get a better shot at the basket.
In the meantime, CJ Perez, Brundial trying to provide the pick. Look at Junmar and Almasang battle underneath. Junmar gets to it quickly. New shot clock. Natawa ko sa kay Apple. Nagtataas ng kamay may teacher daw. And that's short by Junmar. Look at that. Gang rebounding by Meralco.
Single coverage by Meralco and getting the stop there for Junmar Fajardo to miss.
Oh, the floater works, and that's the money shot of Chris Banquero.
CB continues to play well offensively for Meralco.